Welcome to our channel 1 Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you how you guys can change your username on Facebook. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel 1 Step, hit the subscribe. Let's move on. First step, you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you do that, it's going to take you to your Facebook's menu page. Over here on your menu at the top, you can see the setting icon. Click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to your Facebook setting page. Once you're over here where it says Meta Account Center, right below in the blue it says See More in Account Center. You want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to your Facebook Meta's Account Center. Over here, just click on where it says Profiles, and all of your profiles is going to be shown. So once all of your profile is going to be shown over here, click on your Facebook one. So I will click on Facebook, and once you click on your Facebook profile, it's going to bring you over here. Now over here you can see this option called username. So just click on username in order to change your username. Now once you're in the username changing place, just enter the new username you want and just enter the new username like this. Click on done once you're done. And as you guys can see, so this name cannot be chosen. So I'm just going to write something random which I could use. So I cannot choose this name as well. Now once you choose the username, you can click on done at the bottom and your username will be changed. Now I cannot change my username because I just changed my username like 2 days ago. So you need to remember this. Once you set a username, you cannot change it for 6 months. So remember that. But these are the steps on how to change your username on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel 1 Step. I'll see you guys next time.